Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the baby steps series. So this is for complete beginners. So we're going to focus a little bit on basic strings. So I'm going to start off with a basic string. I'm going to say A, this is my variable, and I'm going to assign it, let's have a look. I'll assign it a name, Dave. Okay, so that's my variable there, A, and I've assigned it a name, Dave. So I'm going to print that name. All I have to do is print and then type in my variable there, save it, run the program, and there you go, it's printed out Dave. Okay, let's have a look at another example. We're going to do string concatenation, basically joining two strings together. So again, I'm just going to take this off here, so wipe that off again. So again, A is going to be equal to Dave. Okay, and let's have a look. B is going to be equal to Jones. Okay, and we want to join these two strings together. Just put a little gap there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put C here. I'm going to assign it A plus B. Okay, so now I'm going to print C. So let's just save that and run it. Okay, so we've concatenated or joined the two strings together. Right, the quick example here of string concatenation. I'm going to put again A. I'm going to assign it the string here, Dave. Okay, and I'm going to say B is equal to blogs. Okay, and then I'm going to do C again, assign it A, and this plus sign here, this, and this, and B. So now I'm going to print C. Let's just save it, run it, and there you go, we've joined it together. Right, okay, and I'm going to do something else now. I'm going to use, let's say, I'm going to type name. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to assign it a value. That's going to be Bill. Okay, and then I'm going to print. Type here print name like we did before. Save that, print name, and we'll get that output. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to modify this a bit further. So I'm going to say name dot upper, like that. So let's see what happens when we do that. Let's run that. Okay, so we printed it in uppercase. Right, okay, for the last one I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in F name, so that's first name, it's going to be equal to Billy. Okay, L name, it's going to be assigned to Bunt. Okay, assigned to Bunt there. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put X, assign that to F name, and we're going to do some replacing. We're going to replace a couple of letters in these names. So F name dot replace. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one, and I want to replace. Let me see. I want to replace the B here. So I want to replace the B for uppercase W. Okay, and then we're going to do another one, Y, and we're going to do the same with the last name. So that's going to be L name dot replace. And what do I want to replace on here? I'll replace the first one with the capital B. No, I don't want that. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to replace the first letter there with a capital C, I think. Okay, and now we're going to print out the new name. So that's going to be X and Y. And let's see what the result is. So we've got the new name, Willie Cunt. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and as always.